So the reality of the situation is the thunder came, the rain came, and the hairstyle went. So the plan is to get 2 more days out of this ponytail twist bun situation. So I think what I'm gonna do is flat twist these and have these flat twists hanging down, and that'll be like some kind of something to last 2 more days till Thursday when I wash it. We're gonna see. We'll find out together. In order to rectify this situation on how Indiana weather had me all the way messed up and had me out there looking like a pickaninny, I'm going to use my spray bottle that I got from Sally's to re-wet my hair and reactivate the product that's already in it. And then I'm just gonna part it in medium, small size sections and just flat twist them to the side where I want the bang to lay once I take the flat twist out. So with my head tilted down, you can kind of see a close-up of what I did and how they puffed up a little bit, which I don't mind. I got the front twisted up. And now we're gonna work on this bun because it is all kinds of messes. When I tell y'all it was storming, I mean it was storming, and this little bun couldn't hang. And then at my job we can't have any metal on us, so I had to take out my bobby. Lost the soldier. So I had to take out my bobby pin so that my bun wasn't it was a mess. Clearly, because now I can't even get the darn thing. Ooh, child. Okay. That's one part. All right. Woo. Put in some work, child. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna regather everything. Spray a little bit of water just to reactivate the gel that's already on there. I'm just gonna smooth it in. And I'm just gonna take these 3 twists and I'm gonna just put it on into the ponytail at this point. Try to put this in the center of my head as much as possible. Got that up there. We're gonna deal with all these edges and fluffy and furries a little bit. And a little bit. Now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and separate these pieces. Because now I'm gonna go ahead and I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a sock bun. Let me go get it. I be right back. Okay, so this is the sock bun I'll be using. Had it for years. I think I got it from like a beauty supply somewhere. I don't remember. But you can do the same thing with 2 tube socks, roll them into each other. You can use more than 2, make it as fat or as little as you want. So I'm just gonna take my pony and put my bun maker right on top. And I haven't worn my hair like this for years. I used to wear my hair like this all the time in high school though. This was the go-to hairstyle. Got my scrunchie that decided to fall. What you do is you just want to fan your hair out so that it covers the mold. I'm just going around and feeling it and make sure all of it's covered. Let me just take, you know what, let me use this one first. Let me use a flimsier scrunchie at first, just to get it over. Get my flimsy scrunchie over it, holding it down. See that there? Now I'm gonna take this one, which is a little tighter, put that one on there. And then what you do with all this excess hair that's laying out, I just twist it and put it under. And just keep taking it under until I got it all in there. I'm gonna take one more scrunchie and put that on top. Because the goal is to not use any bobby pins, because I can't have bobby pins at my job because it'll go off. Because I work warehouse, so. Now that that's set, now we're gonna hit up some Eco and get these edges back together. And I forgot my brush. What I'm doing is I just took a little bit of Eco. I'm just placing some on there with my hands. Grab me a little bit more. Hit up the back. And you could use a brush if you want to. I'm just being lazy because I forgot to grab a brush and I'm not getting back up. Just being honest. So this little area up here that needs a little bit more loving. And I'm not really concerned about the amount of gel that I'm using, because I know come Thursday, oh child, come Thursday I'll be washing my hair anyway. So I usually wash my hair either Wednesday or Thursday, and then I'll do like a co-wash on Sunday. So I'm just gonna take that good old scarf, can't put no gel on the side that has a flat twist. That's just gonna be a little frizzy. Ain't nothing we can do about that. Well, we could put some gel on it, but I mean, it's really not worth the hassle at this point. I'm just gonna take these, put a little weight on these so they'll lay flat, flat-ish. I'm trying to tie my scarf on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Go back. Get them edges that's trying to peek out from beyond the grave. I need to call Ayana to fix my edges soon. Put the scarf up. And I'm gonna just leave this scarf on for about an hour or two, because I'm about to go hop in the shower. So tuck those in there. Put me another scarf on top of my bun. Hop in the shower, and I'll be back to show y'all what I'm looking like. Don't mind me. Pray for me, y'all. Just pray for me. Alright, y'all. Out the shower. I had to put on like 3 scarves because I ain't want nothing to get wet. Yes. Okay.